How to create multiple seaborn heat maps with a shared legend in one figure. I want to create multiple, here, 2, seaborn heat maps in one figure where the heat maps have different value ranges but should contain a single, shared legend. The following code creates 2 heat maps in a single figure, but the color coding is different for the 2 plots. I included char equals true and SNS_G only to show that the 2 legends represent a different range. I want explicitly create 2 plots.
Fig.colorbar wants a scalar mappable object, not an axis. But Seaborn's API lets you not worry about that. According to its docs, which I found by searching for heatmap within seaborn.pydata.org, the function signature is so all you need to do is pass the same vmin and vmax values to both heatmaps, but pass char equals false, and char equals true to the other.
If you want to create the color bar manually, you can preserve an axis in the grid for it. Use vmin and vmax to specify the limits, and use one of the heat maps, for example axs0.collection0, as scalar mappable input to fig.colorbar.